This common habit is destroying your health. Here's how to fix it. What if I told you that one of the most common daily habits is silently damaging your health? You might be engaging in it right now without realizing the harm it's causing. Yes, we're talking about prolonged sitting. It's something we all do, whether for work, commuting, or unwinding after a long day. And unfortunately, it's destroying your health in ways you might not expect. But don't worry, this video isn't just about sounding alarms. We're here to shed light on the problem and show you practical, actionable steps to fix it. Let's uncover the hidden dangers of sitting, backed by science, and empower you with tools to counter its effects and lead a healthier, more active lifestyle. Have you ever noticed how much of your day is spent sitting? Think about it. Working at your desk, binge-watching Netflix, driving, eating meals. Hours can pass without us standing up, and in today's world of remote work, it's become even worse. On average, people sit for 7-10 hours a day, which makes sitting one of the most overlooked health risks of our time. It's convenient, it's easy, but its impact on your body is far from benign. This epidemic of immobility is often called the sitting disease, and it's linked to an alarming range of health problems. You might be wondering, how bad could sitting really be? After all, it's just sitting, right? But here's the science. Human bodies are designed to move. Movement promotes blood circulation, strengthens muscles, and helps with metabolic processes like breaking down calories efficiently. Sitting for prolonged periods disrupts these natural processes, leading to wide-ranging negative effects on your health. To put it into perspective, studies have linked prolonged sitting with increased risk of heart disease, lower blood flow, and increased pressure on the cardiovascular system. This common habit is destroying your health. Here's how to fix it. Type 2. Diabetes. Reduced ability of your body to manage blood sugar effectively. Chronic back and neck pain. Poor posture from sitting strains the spine and surrounding muscles. Even if you work out regularly, spending most of your day sitting can still negate the benefits of that exercise. Shocking, isn't it? Let's break this down further. Stiffness in joints and muscles. You might feel tightness in your hips, shoulders, and back after long hours of sitting. Fatigue. Prolonged inactivity can actually increase tiredness because your muscles aren't being engaged. Poor posture. Slouching and hunching over screens creates imbalances that worsen over time. Chronic pain. Bad posture and weakened muscles can lead to relentless aches and discomfort. Metabolic syndrome. Extended periods of inactivity increase the risk of obesity and related issues. Mental health struggles. Sitting too much can even negatively impact mood, increasing stress and anxiety. The signs are often subtle but progressive. Frequent lower back pain or shoulder stiffness. Feelings of fatigue and restlessness despite adequate sleep. Dependence on caffeine or sugar for energy throughout the day. If any of this sounds familiar, it may be a warning signal to evaluate your daily habits. Here's the good news. It's never too late to counteract the effects. With small, intentional changes, you can break free from the health risks associated with prolonged sitting. Ready to take action? Here are 5 simple yet effective strategies to break the sitting cycle and start living healthier. Set an alarm to remind yourself. Even standing for just a couple of minutes every half hour boosts circulation and reactivates muscles. You don't need a fancy gadget. Your phone or even a sticky note reminder works just fine. Incorporating desk-friendly stretches can make a big difference. Try overhead arm stretches, shoulder rolls, or seated twists. These are quick and discreet, so you can even do them during work meetings. Standing desks are a game changer for breaking prolonged sitting patterns. If a standing desk isn't in your budget, get creative. Stack books or boxes to elevate your workspace. Use walking as a substitute for sitting whenever you can. Take calls while walking instead of sitting in one spot. Stroll around during your lunch break. It's a natural activity with countless health benefits. Leverage fitness trackers or mobile apps that prompt you to move. These tools gamify activity, making it fun and rewarding to stay on your feet. Remember, consistency matters more than perfection. Start small and build momentum over time. It's not just about moving more, it's also about how you sit when you do need to sit. Proper posture can protect your spine and reduce the risks of sitting-related strain. Here's how to do it right. Keep your feet flat on the ground with knees at a 90-degree angle. Align your back against the chair support without slouching forward. Maintain a straight neck by positioning screens at eye level. Invest in an ergonomic chair if possible, as it can significantly improve your sitting experience. It's a common misconception that hitting the gym after work negates all the harm caused by sitting all day. Unfortunately, while exercise is critical for overall health, it doesn't fully reverse the adverse effects of prolonged inactivity. Think of it this way: no amount of running in the evening can undo the 8-10 hours of stillness earlier in the day. What matters most is breaking up sitting with consistent movement throughout the day. Moving regularly doesn't just improve your physical health, it's also a game changer for your mental well-being. Physical activity releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Studies show that even light activity like walking can reduce stress, anxiety, and feelings of depression. So think of movement as an all-in-one solution: better physical health, sharper focus, and improved mood. Let's envision an ideal day where sitting is minimized. Morning routine: kick off the day with 5-10 minutes of stretches to activate your muscles. Work hours: rotate between sitting and standing every hour. Incorporate quick desk stretches during breaks. Evening activities: opt for an active hobby like gardening or light yoga rather than extended Netflix binges. Here's how to fix it. And while you're at it, share your current sitting routine. Are you aware of how much time you spend seated in a day? Reflecting on this could be your first step towards making real change. Remember this: every minute you spend moving is an investment in your future health. Your body craves activity, and by making these small adjustments, you're giving yourself the gift of longevity, energy, and vitality. It's time to reclaim your health. One step, one stretch, one stand-up break at a time. So let's move towards better health together. You've got this. Check out the description page for recommended supplements and health solutions. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.